In this video, I'm going to be unleashing the power of motivational AI video using this method in 2024. Using this simple tool I'm about to show you, Lexical app, Pexel, YouTube, and of course, you're going to be editing this in CapCut.
Don't give up. You are worthy. You are more than worthy. You deserve to experience how great life can be, and you owe it to the world to be that positive change for others, to inspire others who will look to you and say, he did it, she did it, and I can do it too.
Now, if this video interests you, kindly hit the subscribe button and like this video. It really helps me a lot to keep going. Diving into my system, let me show you how to get this done step by step with no living stone on top. Now, what you want to do is to create the image that best match your curiosity. I will be very fast in this part so that this video is not going to get too long than I expected. So once you're done generating the images, you come over to CapCut where we are going to be editing this and get to post this on TikTok, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. And of course, you're going to make money from it and get to monetize it on those platforms if consistently applied. And you simply add the images to the timeline step by step. Once that's done, you make sure the images are not too long. You click here to shorten the image. Remember, we are going to post this on TikTok, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. And in order to add animation to our video, you come over here, you add any one of your choice. And this most important, you add an effect to make your video look realistic. You come over here, you click on lens. I will be adding this and this to our video. And you come over here, I'm going to be choosing this to make our image look engaging. And here we're going to make our video come to life by adding our voiceover and any music of your choice. And in order to get a voiceover, you can use an AI tool called 11 Labs. What you're going to do, you paste in your script and the AI is going to generate a voiceover within a second, but it's a paid version where you get to pay $3 or $5. But don't worry, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get a voiceover. You come over to YouTube, searching motivational quotes, and you get to pop up. You pick up the one that best match your curiosity, and you get to download this video. I know you'll be wondering how can we get a voiceover from this, but that's not the case. You come over to this site. I will be leaving the name of this site by the end of this video, and you paste in the video to extract the voice from the video, and that's how you're going to use it for your video, and boom, our video has come to life.
I want you to know that no matter where you are in life, no matter how low you have sunk, no matter how bleak your situation, this is not the end. This is not the end of your story. This is not the final chapter of your life. I know it may be hard right now, but if you just hang in there.
So if you got value from this video, kindly leave a comment down below and like and subscribe. It really helped me to keep going. See you in this video. Boom.